The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2017 Honda CR-V with the bare roof. We've just installed the Yakima JetStream BaseLine base roof rack system. So that consists of the JetStream load bar, 50 inches in length, black shown here, silver is also available, the BaseLine towers, which come in a set of 4, and base slip 188 for the front position and base slip 189 for the rear position. Overall, you have a weight carrying capacity of 165 pounds evenly distributed, and your crossbars are going to be spaced at 32 inches center to center. Locks are available separately. Those are completely optional and strictly just a security element. Overall, this is a great system for carrying all sorts of different cargo and gear. Alright, well this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete rack system with a couple of clicks, visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.